Hi, welcome to Jetking, Rajajinagar Virtual Video Training Program. Myself Mohammad Akhib, I am a student of Jetking. Today I am going to show you how to do crimping.
Okay, first I will start with. So I have two color codes. So defined by EIA TIA. EIA means Electronics Industry Association. TIA means Telecommunication Industry Alliance. These two peoples are already defined the two color codes. First one is 568A. Second one is 568B. In 568A, so first cable white green, second one green, third one white orange, fourth one blue, fifth one white blue, sixth one orange, seventh one white brown, then eighth one brown. Here in 568B, so it will start from white orange, then orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, and white brown. Using these two colored codes, it's possible to crimp three types of cable. In that first one is straight through cable. Now I will show you how to do straight through cable crimping. To crimp a straight through cable, both side it should be a same color code, either 568A or 568B. Now, so I will go with 568B. Here I have a cable, fast Ethernet cable first. So pre-requirements, we need a crimper tool, then RJ45, then I need a RJ45 jack, then cable testing tool. I need a cable testing tool. Wrong.